Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a username on the MANGA Plus application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and if you want to set a new username for your profile, go to the lower bar on the home screen and go to the the profile icon next to the brush. And here go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And in the edit profile section, you can find the username button. And in the set a username section, click to the typing section and just type a new name, and if you don't, click to the save button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.